Alright, so in today's video we have a couple of accessories for your Google Pixel Buds Pro. Gadget Beard. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we have a couple of accessories for the Pixel Bud Pro. So without further ado, let's start with the first one. Now the first one's gonna be the case. You've probably seen this already before. This is the Nomad leather case. It is available in two different colors. It is available in black and brown. You do have a cutout there for the LED, as you can see, and you do have the button there that you can press to reset your Pixel Buds. I've been rocking this case for a while now. As you can see, it's holding up pretty well. I always use the Nomad leather products. They're an absolutely fantastic case manufacturer. I wish they would do a leather case for the Pixel 7 Pro. Come on, Nomad, do one for the Pixel 7 Pro. But if you're looking for a leather case for your Pixel Bud Pros, go ahead and pick up the Nomad case for your Pixel Buds. Link will be in the description of the video. Up next, we have the Comply Premium earphone tips. Now the tips on the Google Pixel Pros are pretty good, but why not get better? So let's go ahead and pop these open and take a quick look at these tips here. Bam. And I bought these tips before, but these tips are specifically made for the Google Pixel Pros Pixel Buds there, so you're good to go. Let's go ahead and grab. They're all the same size. Now they're nice and foam tips here. Comply makes some good premium foam tips, but sometimes they do get pretty jacked up pretty fast, so I don't know how well these are gonna last. But let's go ahead and grab a Pixel Bud here. Bam, see that you got regular rubber tips that come with it, but let's go ahead and place this bad boy on here, and it snaps in place. And let me place this in my ear. I'm going to give you a quick first impressions on how these actually feel in ear. So they feel pretty good in ear. They do form to your ear because they kind of get compressed. It's like almost memory foam. So they do feel pretty good in ear. And do they fit on the, and they do fit just fine on the case itself. I know sometimes when you buy or replace ear tips here, it don't always work with the charging case, and they absolutely work just fine with the Pixel Buds charging case here. And last but not least is this little screen multi-cleaning pen. Now this pen here is to clean your earbuds. I picked this up on Amazon. I forgot how much it was. It was relatively cheap, but you want to carry these, dude, because these tips right here, look at that. You have this nice kind of soft velvet brush here to clean your ear tips, and I think you can take it off. You have like this scraping tool here on the side to scrape your earwax from the speaker ports. Bam, you can just go ahead and scrape it like that. You know what I'm talking about. See, you go ahead and grab an earbud, kind of clean it up, or clean your case up in there. You know, all that nasty debris. Go like that. Pull this apart, right? Pull your ear tip apart. Bam, like that. Grab your little brush here. You have a little brush there. You can kind of clean the speakers. Bam, like that. If you have any debris, you can use this little hook like this to kind of clear this right here on the side. As you can see, I got nasty ass earwax in there. Bam, that looks nasty actually. Just go ahead and give them a brush right there. You guys saw that firsthand, dude. I know I'm not the only one. Go ahead and brush it. That was kind of disgusting, to be honest. But this little multi-tool pen is very, very useful, especially if you use earbuds a lot. You can go ahead and clean your case in here every once in a while. Go ahead and just give it a good wiping, a good cleaning. You know, keep that hygiene up. Props. You can go ahead and go like this, clear the earbud, and bam, now you have some nice and clean earbuds, and you have a nice clean case. So there you have it, guys. Link to all these products will be in the description of the video. If you have any questions regarding any of these accessories for the Google Pixel Bud Pros, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.